The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
And good morning, fellas. Deepak, Jim in San Diego. Guys, good morning. Good morning. We are coming down in the NASDAQ. It is a short. Guys, good morning. Hope y'all had a great afternoon. I watched the markets most of the day yesterday, and as expected, they're just slow. Once we get out of Europe, it's pretty much done. End of the day, we get small moves, but for the most part, nothing going on. For those of you guys that are in the afternoon session, I have sent the invoices. If you guys are not receiving them, let me know. But it's a new link starting Monday. In any event, we are back at it. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. And NASDAQ, very low volume. 40,000 contracts have traded overnight. We do have 775 buyers currently. Gold, also light volume. We do have 1,000 net buyers. We're up near the high. Crude, decent volume. Small sellers at the moment. ES, also light volume to be expected. Today is Thursday, so we're going to have continuing and initial jobless claims. Who cares? That's it. Natural gas. No real news today, guys. Next week we'll be back in full swing. Today and tomorrow will be the last of the slow, low volume trade. We shall see what we can come up with today. We're not getting a ton of follow through. Morning, maybe 518. Yeah, I think NASDAQ is going to work probably down to ultimately 480. 505 on the hourly, 477. That's my opinion. We'll see. We'll see. Coming into the markets, the NASDAQ is up 30 handles. ES is up 7 handles. YM's up 45. Russell is down a point. Gold is off $1.50. Morning, Ray. Morning, Chris. Copper slightly green, silver marginally green. Crude is down 34 cents, it looks like. Gas is also off. Bonds are up 9.30 seconds. Pre-market, mixed bag. Apple, Facebook green, Tesla down, Amazon green. Whole bunch of it's mixed bag. Good morning, Becky. Blessings to you as well. NASDAQ to me looks like it's coming down. YM currently in longs will probably trade up to 480. ES looks like 96. Russell, if it pushes up through at hourly resistance right around 50, can trade 55. Gold, I think gold goes higher. Looking at crude, I would think crude is a small short. And natural gas, just, man, this weather is killing gas. We're almost January 1st. We had tornado warnings again yesterday. So odd for this time of year. In any event, that's where we're at, guys. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them, excuse me, in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, we've had a couple of bot trades this morning. Gold took a long at 7:30. It has hit all three targets. NASDAQ has taken a couple of trades. 606, we got first target only. And then at 648, also first target only. So 3 bot trades, 2 small winners on the NASDAQ to first target, and gold to all 3 targets. There has been nothing in the ES. And of course, crude doesn't come on till 8:55 a.m. and the Russell not till 9:30. Although I have an interesting looking Russell chart. It almost looks like my bot is not getting data. It's so flat. Morning, Greg. Morning, morning. Morning, Marco. Really don't see. YM to me looks long. I am reluctant, as you guys know, in pre-market. Crude, small short at 22. It's 18 now, will be 4 ticks late. You can see there's no volatility in gold. Target 1 is 6 ticks. It's at target 1, didn't fill. It hit target 1, it did not fill. Hit it to the tick and didn't fill. Cancel the NASDAQ. I don't think I'm going to get 21. If you guys want NASDAQ short, it's coming to 09. That would be target 1. There's target 1 on gold. Whopping 6 ticks. Whopper. Anybody short NASDAQ? 9 is target 1, fellas. Okay, Marco. Okay, JLG. 9 is target 1. You can drop stop to 31. 31. I tried to get in at 21. It didn't pop up. So be that as it may. That's target 1 is 9. We'll probably get to VWAP at 98 area. NASDAQ can sell all the way back to 670. ES, if it falls below 89, call it. There's both targets on gold. ES, if it falls below 89, we'll probably trade 86. There's 09. Target 1 hit and filled. 98's the next target. If we break below 98, you can target 86. Anybody short ES? Target one is 86. Target one is 86 if you're short ES, KJLG. Got to break 98 next. Yesterday's close was 90, 490. You're welcome, Ray. That'll be trade number 3. You go. Target one is 10 whopping ticks. 10 whoppers. We need to get up through this 042. We go to 6. Guys, I'll take breakfast in a few minutes. Fairly slow, to be expected. Not much volume. Boom, 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 boom. Here's the bot. Almost a first target. All right, fellas. I'm taking breakfast. I'll be back in about 20 minutes or so. Come on, push, NASDAQ, push. Gold got the target, 6-7. I am in labor. This is laborious. Come on, rat bag. Let's go, 21. Come on, nine mas. We're fighting the cloud on the 10-minute, guys. Trade it as you see fit. Just not I mean, there's buyers, but, again, we're missing a ton of volume. Come on. I need 2 more 30 range candles. Need to get through 13. There's one of them. Oh, you dog. Come on. Pump it. There it goes. There's 2. Come on. Come on, Chooch. Oh, come on. Don't do that. We're pushing the top of the cloud in the 10-minute, guys. You may want to take some risk off. I still think we'll get it, but this is where we faded yesterday. chump. Back to VWAP. Got a bounce here. Small sellers in here, 100, 98, 97. All right. I'm out. God dang it. I hate this low volume trades. Normal volume, we'd have gone right through this. We'd have gotten that target. This is where we faded yesterday. Yeah, so I do a leader follower, and I was long 80 in the leader follower with a 21 target. Yeah, my RTY bot did nothing. I didn't get a trade. It was a monster long, but I didn't get a trade on the bot out of that consolidation. I actually have no bot trades. I'm also long in the leader follower in crude at 43. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Gold is the trade, fellas. NASDAQ looks like it's coming down to 60 again. Can't believe we didn't push up to that 21. Man. We failed the same spot on NASDAQ 2 days in a row, top of the 10-minute cloud. What's the news? Chicago PMI. It's not 4-star. I mean, we could trade down to 390 here, fellas. That's not what's doing it, Dan. Got nothing to do with that. Take a look at Tesla. Take a look at Tesla. They recalled 500,000 cars for camera issues. Tesla's down 2.4%. Nice job, Lori. Apple's down, flat. Facebook is up 75 cents, 80 cents. Tesla's down $25. Amazon's down $7.50. There's 5 or 6 stocks that have carried the NASDAQ the last 6 months. Any one of these breaks and the NASDAQ's done. I don't care about news. Then you factor in light volume and do whatever they want with this stuff. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Musk got out in time. Sold, what, $5 billion worth of stock just in time. Stroke of luck that was. Should pop back to 80. $63.1 versus 62 expected. So if it's based on PMI, we should start going up. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. 94. We're going to fudge around at this yellow line in the sand. Come on. Come on. Go get VWAP for gosh sakes. We got the 80. We should go now 95. Here's where we're stuck. 85. It's the 100 period on the 15-minute. 95 will be resistance again. Bottom of the cloud. I guess I can get rid of that IQ data. It's just one indicator. There's target 1, RTY. Let's see if we can go get at least target 2 would be nice. 70.4, we should get it. We might could get all 3. Five ticks shy. Come on, Russell, go get that thing. Guys, the NASDAQ is struggling. Their second target on the bot, on the RTY. Well, we're going to go one way or the other here. We should get back to VWAP, guys. 95 is the bottom of the cloud. It's pushing some resistance right here. Next target up is 95. Come on. Bot probably will not get a trade today on crude. That's mooey longs. Hang on, guys. Sellers in NASDAQ. Probably come back down to 52. Slight volume is just making it tough here. Still like this back to 95. All right, guys, I'm going to try the long here at 84, 85. Come on. With a 93 target. Come on. Give me a target. Let's go. Petering out again. Come on, you duck. Boy, I can't wait till next week. Get out of this light volume minutia. Come on, 93. You got this, NASDAQ. You got this. Got 93. Free trade here, fellas. Now we push above this 93. If we can, we get 502. 502. And then if it can push through 502, we get 518. Trade the runner as you see fit. So line in the sand is here. And then 02. And then 18. I'm still not looking to be short. Not with 112, 13 net sellers. Long again. I would take it back at 85 if I can get it, but it's long. This is our first hurdle. 95. It's through or going. There it is. And then 02. Down to 7 net negative delta. All right, I'm going to try another long, guys. I mean, this is I'm buying it right at resistance here. But I think we're going through. This is your next level, 2/4. No. Come on. Thank you, Greg. I mean, I'll take 2. Oh, I only have 1. Damn it. Now I've got 3. Target 1 is 02. Maybe 01/2. Come on, you red bag. 2 minutes to the next 15-minute bar. It's just pushing this damn resistance on a 10-minute, guys. That's all it is. And they're not going to sell them off with 15 net. Now we got a positive delta. Small positive. Come on, big fella. Pump it up. Clown sitting here at there it is. He's through. So you may want to take 01, 1/2. We got to not quite 01 yet. Come on. "54 seconds, next 15-minute bar." Come on, horse. Let's go. Come on, meat. Come on. Target filled. That's our next level. 02/4. There we go. Let's go, big horse. Now we got to push above this 02 and maintain it. We trade 18. That's our next area, 18. I mean, I can get you dink and dunk 10-handle trades, but unfinished auction here at 500. Let's get that out of there. There it is, gone. Now pop. Come on. There we go. Come on. If we break above 18, 19, wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. Come on. Me thinking we going. Me thinks we go. We have an enormous 240 contract positive delta. Chris must have bought those. Chris, is that you? Guys, order flow's simple, man. There's not a lot to it. This is not a hard concept. Got to get above 14.5 or so. You know, now we got this clown sitting here at 15. 64 cars for sale at, he just dropped down to 12. What a man, what a man, what a man. Way out of the way. Watch him jump again. Now he's back to 15. This is what happens when they got some clown that just graduated from Brown University sitting on the trade desk. Everybody else is on vacation. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? All right, drop down again. It's falling the other way. All right, let's see if we can press some 10 handles out of the way. We'll get up near 7 or 8. He'll jump. Watch. Got to come through this 31 seller. There it goes. Oh, he jumped again. 15. He's a dingbat. Watch him move again. We'll get up near 12, 13. He'll pop up higher. And he's got 56 for sale here at 15. Come on. Gone. He's a rodeo star, this guy. Now he's all the way up here, 30. Oh, he's back. Chris, is that you? Patience, fellas. He isn't selling anything. He's gone. He's gone. He just keeps moving up and down. If he really had him for sale, he'd be sitting there. Got a 120 buyer here, fellas, at 10. 130. They're buying 10. 134. 135. They're buying 135, 137. They're buying 10. This is moments away from going bazooey. Bazooey. Here we go. I'm telling you, you can see it. Got to get that 18, guys. It's the top of the cloud on the 10-minute. Call it 19. Patience. Patience. Get that 19. We're through the cloud. Bye. Bye. It's gone, dude. It's gone. Here comes 30. That may be where we want to get off the bus. There's my 21 target, rat bags. Guys, I've walked you exactly through what had to happen for this trade to work. Those of you guys that are in order flow, I'm hoping you're seeing this stuff. We're good, fellas. All we need is this push through 31, 32, which, is going to give us a little odge. Nice job, Marco. You're welcome, Matt. Nice job, buddy. Up 32 grand. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Chris. We got some sellers showing up in here. Our clown trader probably showed up again, 30. He doesn't really have them for sale. He'd sell them. He'd sell them. He'd have been out. Somebody sold 90, one block of 29 here. We're not done yet, fellas. We're not done. We're not done till we hit 31. So I told you, and he ran again. He's not looking to sell squat. There we are, 95. Coast to coast. Coast to coast. So if you guys are trading multiples, this is an area where you want to probably take some risk off. We're at 95% of daily distribution, right? I still think we can get the high of the day and higher. We're going to run into at 540, right where he is parked now, is the top of the hourly cloud. If we break the hourly cloud, our target becomes 575, 580 area. Okay? Easy peasy, fellas. Easy peasy. Nice job, Steve. Nice job. Nice job. We're pushing here. 2 standard deviations, right? Which closely aligns with the 95% area of daily distribution. We're up near the top. I think we put in a new high, and we probably trade to yesterday's high at that 65. I'd like to see us get to 80. We're now pushing the top of the cloud on the hourly. This is where we have to break out. Hourly resistance. There it is. Here's the day high. Yeah, I think we're going to get it. I think we're going to see daily up today and tomorrow. I think we're up. Just shy of the high of the day by what? 41 quarter, 42 half, 3 ticks. Next 10-minute bar coming. And 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. New bar. Push. I want to see this area hold. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. We're beating them like that transgender swimmer at UPenn. Not even a chuckle. Okay, a couple of you guys. You don't know what I'm talking about, Jim? There is a dude who swam on the UPenn men's swimming team for 3 years. Woke up at some point in the last 12 months, decided he was a chick. And he now swims on the UPenn women's swim team. And he is annihilating female swimmers. Yeah, in the old days, it might have been Zach, from Russia. Oh, yeah, just like that MMA guy. The woke culture is doing everything they can to get rid of women and equality. Yeah, I saw that. Jeopardy. Yep. Yeah, Bowling Green in Kentucky. Nice, Chris. Yeah, now finally, I guess a few of the women on the UPenn team anonymously have spoken out. And some former woman champion is now really criticizing it. Odd times we live in, folks. Odd times, unless you're 20. Yeah, that's right, Chris. That's right. Happens to all of them. That's right, Zach. Live by stupidity, die by stupidity. There we go. Come on. Here comes the assault, fellas. It's winding up. It's going higher, guys. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Okay. Come on, go get that high. We got block buyer here at 35. Somebody bought 21 cars here at 35. Here we go. Here we go. New day high. 1 tick. Don't like that. There we go. Push this thing. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go, guys. Almost 50 handles. Guys, we're trying to get this puppy to about 570. 570. That's the goal. Oh, look, our buddy's back at 559 and a quarter. He'll get out of there. And we're going to 590. Yeah, if we can get above yesterday's high, which is 64 half, we run into 70, 60, 68 is R1. Above that, we can go a mile. All right, fellas. All I'm giving it is about 40. That's it. Somebody came out of 20 cars here at 57.5. Got to take all these lower highs, guys. Another block buyer here, 28 contracts at 51.75. Another block buyer. Guys, we are fixing to go daily up momentarily here. We're chewing right through these swings. Hasn't been a dang bot trade. Not a bot trade in a bit. Bot's up a meager $520 today. Got a 104 buyer here. Ordinarily, I wouldn't pay much. Oh my gosh, a bot trade. Ordinarily, I wouldn't pay much attention to a 104 buyer, but with the lighter volume today. All right, we could get a small pullback in here. I will take this off. I don't want it below 41. 41 areas a better bounce or it's a kill for me. I don't want to really down below this end of the buy area, right? This area here. Let me see what Tesla's doing. And it's down $9 now. It's off the lows. Did you get your long on Amazon, D? You got your breakout above 3,400. All right, lower highs, some sellers. All right, guys, I'm going to take this off. No, not yet. Nope, not yet. Out on the Russell bot. All right, I'm out. We're going to pull back a bit. I'm out. Everybody good? Yeah, we held 41. Hey, dog. Is there anybody that's not made any money? Yeah, crude was huge. I was in 76.45. I'm out 77.40. Looks like another push higher. Just sitting here, fellas. My stop is 56.5. That's my stop. Still small buyers. 2 in the previous 3-minute bar net. Right now, 13. We have a bot trade long on the. All right, that's the last shot of the short. This is trade number 3. Actually fired right in the same area. Look at this rat bag. Comes right back down. Come on, Russell. Let's go, buddy. still think NASDAQ's going to come down. Come on, Russell. You can't go 20 ticks, 21 ticks? See you tomorrow, Gary. All right, Steve. Happy New Year, man. See you Monday. See you, Jim. See you next week. Happy New Year. Rick, she did. Yep, she sure did. She sure did. She's back home, of course, but she'll be back here in a couple weeks. My youngest daughter's coming in the 9th through the 15th. And Lauren is coming to visit with her sister. Guys, we've gotten torturously slow here. Guys, I've shut off the bots. We're not going to get any more trades here. It's 11 o'clock. Let's go over bot trades. NASDAQ had 2 trades this morning, both first target winners, small. That was it. 2 for 2, small winners. Gold had trade number 1 was a winner. Trade number 2 is a winner. Trade number 3 was a loser. Trade number 4 was a winner. 3 for 4 on gold. ES had no trades today. Nothing on the ES. Russell. Trade number 1, we didn't get till 9:48. all 3 targets. Trade number 2 was a loser. And trade number 3 was a loser. Trade number 4 hasn't gone to target or stop at this point. And then we have a crude trade number 1. Came within 4 ticks of target 1, but has neither gone to stop or target. Okay. Currently, the bot is down 270 on the day, pending the outcome of the crude trade. If it gets to first target, it'll be up $10, and then depending on what the runner does. Anybody have any questions before we wrap it up? Any questions? All right, fellas. I will see all of you tomorrow. Down 270 at this point, Ken, pending the conclusion of this trade. So it can be small green to, bigger red. Until this trade completes. You're welcome, Zach. Guys, anybody that might have a good one as well. Oh yeah, God, the bots are up $7,500, 7,600, something like that for the week. Anybody that would like to join the order flow group, I still have a spot. Let me know. It starts in 2 weeks. Those of you in the afternoon group, I've sent invoices. I will see all of you guys tomorrow morning at 8 a.m.